Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to back up your MacBook to an external drive, okay, or hard drive. Okay, so let's get started. So, guys, if you feel your MacBook is kind of run out of space and you need to clear up the desk, yeah. So in order to do that, guys, you can actually use a hard drive, and you need to connect it to your MacBook, guys, to transfer all the files or back it up, guys. So in order to do that, guys, um, what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to go to our top left corner, and you will see here, of course, the Apple icon. You can click that one and go to your system settings. Okay, so after that, guys, you will see here on the general, um, you know, option. We can see here a lot of, choices here, but we need to go to time machine, guys. Okay, you just have to click this one, and to back up our files on our MacBook, guys, to our external hard drive, you can add actually a backup disk. Okay, you can click that one, but of course, guys, you need to connect first your hard drive to your MacBook before doing these things, because it says here that no available time machine destination, because I don't have any hard drive on my own, but you can have one, guys, if you wanna purchase. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.